All right, people, it's going to be a beautiful weekend in the Northeast, so we're grilling some flank steak tomorrow night. So this is the marinade that I use, okay? It's Kenji Lopez Alt's marinade. It's a steakhouse marinade. If you've been to a steakhouse, it tastes awesome. It's sweet, it's umami, it's everything you need, so check it out. So it starts with a little Worcestershire sauce, about half a cup. So I have about half a cup in here, so down with that. About a quarter of a cup of soy sauce. I don't know that I have a quarter of a cup, but it's going to be just everything I got. Beautiful. All right, the controversial ingredient. You won't taste them. You're going to love them though, anchovies. So we grab a fork and we just pull out a couple. Plop them in. You're never going to taste them. Not even going to know they're there. Just do it. It's good for you. Super healthy anchovies are. Couple garlic cloves in. Squirt of Dijon mustard in. And same fork. About a tablespoon of tomato paste in. A little bit more in. All good. And then 3 grabs of brown sugar. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Awesome. When you're done all that, you're going to add some oil of your choice. I'm going to use canola oil. And I just use the displacement method. I'm about at a cup. There's a line on there that says 8 ounces. So I want another 4 ounces of oil. So I'm going to go up to 12. Even my students know 8 plus 4 is 12. Shout out to all my students following. Awesome to have you. All right, we're at the 12. Sounds good. Then put it in your blender of choice. Next up, we got a marinade, and better than a cutting board, I like to use the pizza box from tonight's dinner. This is a free plug for Amalio's because they're the best. I know pizza, and they're the best one around. So if you live in Warrington, Warminster, or anywhere near there, you got to go there. We go there every Friday night. We get more pizza than we need because it's that good. So anyway, out comes our beautiful, glorious flank steak. Now, the most controversial part of this, and I don't know the science of this, but do you poke it or not? Do you take your fork and let the marinade work by giving it a little more surface area, by giving it some more holes? Well, let's try it. Try it the other way next time. So, 1, 2. All right, good to go. In the bag. And then here's our beautiful marinade. Best part of this marinade is save some of it before you put it in the bag for steak sauce, because it makes a great steak sauce. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little dish. I can get one out of the cabinet. Beautiful. Take a little dish before you put it in. If you put it in the on the steak, you can't use it again. So pour it in, and then in we go with the rest. All right, we're in, and off we go. Bag and tag, smoosh it around, plop it in the fridge for later. See you tomorrow. So when you're done, you get it on the plate, dry it off, remove any excess. And you're gonna have to add some pepper. I bought the Gordon Ramsay Hexclad pepper mill, and it's phenomenal. I'm just as surprised as you are. It just rains pepper and has a bottom, like it. And it also, you could take out an intruder with it. It's like super heavy, but it has a bottom, so you could just grate your little heart out into the bottom and then, you know, go to town. So love it. And the bottom has a little measurement See it there? Little measurements. When's the last time you measured pepper? Really? Gotta clean the grill. Scrape. It's preheating. I got some sweet potatoes on there. And then the move you need to make. Trust me. I keep a old rag with some canola oil permanently in a Tupperware under my grill. And then you rock and roll. Oil up the grates. No stickage. Beautiful. All right, here we go. You ready? There she goes. Flank steak, my combustion thermometer. Let's see what happens. We're gonna go a couple minutes on direct fire. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Let's see, how do we do? I split it down the center. More slices, right? Oh my. See ya. So all you do is throw it on top of the plate that has all the juice on it. And Adam Ragusa is right. It'll soak it up. So you just kind of let it hang, man. Totally good. All good. That's perfect, right? Like, come on. That's perfect.
That very the sandwich king.
These potatoes are good.
What's that?
These potatoes are so good.